Hello friends, this is Arvind. In this video, we are going to know importance of economics. Okay, so why the major importance in the economic subject? Okay, there are the major importance in the economics. While studying the economic subject, we will get to know the practical purpose and government bodies and intellectual value. Right. So the economics, the meaning of economics is the studying of the human behavior and consumption, production, exchange of goods and services and distribution and all. Okay. And behavior of the households, the same time industries and government. That is what money circular flow. So and let get into the main concept of economic subject. I'll study about the demand and opportunity cost, sunk cost, the GDP, national income, microeconomics, macroeconomics, and statistics, econometrics, international trade, growth and public finance, environmental economics. What are all those things? Entire economy will study in the economics. Okay, while the studying means the major impact on the whatever the economic subject will study by the student. So the intellectual value will be enhanced, the decision making of the individual. Okay, whatever the doing economic activities, economic satisfaction which the consumption or production are doing by the producers and consumers, then the basic, the practical decision making will be enhanced. In order to practical purposes, the major practical purposes, the economics will be help us the way of consumption and production, the efficient production or efficient consumption can be done as in the form of consumers and manufacturer and producers. Okay, so in this all the traders, whatever the traders, manufacturer, consumers, all those will be helped in the efficient. The way taking decision will be each and every individual will take decision in the efficient manner. And the improving the decision making ability, there will be control of expenditure of the particular individual of the consumer, and it helps to the producers and consumer. It helps the producers and consumer. Producers can make choice in the better, at the same time producer can make production in the less cost of production by using the greater efficiency of production. Okay, and sellers and traders, it helps the what they are making price, the determination of price will help in the form of sellers and traders. It will help to the sellers and traders by making the price determination. Okay, and it's the government bodies. Government bodies, there will be improvement of the revenue, means the tax structure, imposing tax to increase the whatever the inequality, decrease the inequalities and enhance the economic stability. To maintain economic stability, government will be the impose taxes. Okay, there will be direct, indirect taxes. And building means due to the whatever the government policies, by making the government policies, the economic stability will be building. And maintaining whatever the problems which are occurring in the economy, that will maintain in order to maintain stable economy. And develop the country in order to making the different policies like monetary policy and fiscal policy and tax policies, right? And the major complex problems can be solved by the economics, which are unemployment, poverty, inflation and etc. So these are the major problems can be solved by the economic subject. The major real life practical example is that economics opportunity cost. Best example is opportunity cost. Taking an opportunity cost in the everyday life, by using the opportunity cost, we will get satisfied in the less amount of cost of production, in the less amount of expenditure, we will get maximum amount of satisfaction by using the opportunity cost. Right. So this is the major importance factors will get by this studying the economic subject. One of the thing, intellectual value will be enhanced. By how it will be enhanced, the whatever the things studying, the whatever the market analysis, supply analysis, demand, exchange, practical whatever the things which will going on around the economy, that will be enhanced, that will be steady. Each and every individual that will make decision making, every individual will be well expertise in the concept of decision making. And practical purpose, the practical purposes means in order to maintain less cost of production and higher efficient of consumption, at the same time production. Okay, in order to consumption and efficient manner the producer. Okay, both side there will be maximum amount of satisfaction will get by studying the economic concepts, and helps the producers and sellers and trader to make the determination to make the producer side and consumer side. So those will be impact in this positive aspect. And let's look at it, the government bodies which are revenue building maintaining the economic development. Okay, so these are the major important things which will be get to know by the studying the economics. Okay, in the real life economics are major. So if you look at it with the career objective, it will helps to the to making the policy making to give the financial assistance to the government, at the same time to make well decision in the form of new policies. It helps the policy, fiscal policy and monetary policy. These are the major important role which can be done by the economy. Okay, the major role which are monetary policy and fiscal policy. Monetary policy which can be under control the government bank of RBI. At the same time, fiscal policy control by the government. Tax policies which are all in the control of the government. So to make the economy strengthen, which will be helped by studying the economics.